Hello everyone, today I am going to start a new chapter which is simultaneous equations. Okay, so what are simultaneous equations? The word simultaneous itself means together. When we are solving two sets of equation together to get a desired value of the given expression or given equation, it is called simultaneous equation. Suppose we are given one equation x plus y is equal to 5 and another equation we are given x minus y equal to 10. So we are given two sets of equation and we have to evaluate these two sets of equation to get the required value of x and y. Such kind of equation is called a simultaneous equation. So now we are coming to the three types of the simultaneous equations are classified into three types. The three method to calculate the value of x and y. So first method is substitution method. The first method is substitution method. The next method is elimination method. And the third method is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So we are required to solve these equations by three sets of method, either by substitution method, either by elimination method, or either by cross multiplication method. So now we are going to discuss the substitution method for solving any kind of simultaneous equation. So now we come to substitution method. Now, what is substitution method? The word substitute itself means that we have to substitute a value of given expression and we have to put that value in the next equation. Suppose you are given with an equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 9 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. These are the two equations given to you. Okay. So I have to solve these two equations by substitution method. So how I am going to solve this equation? First, number the equation. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Either equation 1 or equation 2 you are going to make any one variable the subject. So I am considering equation 1 and making x the subject. So if I take equation 1 and make x the subject, I get 2x is equal to 9 plus goes there becomes minus 3y. So x is what? 9 minus 3y by 2. This is my third equation. This is my third equation. After making equation 1, the x subject, I got this value. Since I have taken equation 1 and I have made x the subject, I cannot place this value of x in equation 1. I am going to place this value of x in equation 2. If I take equation 2 and make x the subject, whatever value of x I am going to get from equation 2, I am going to put in equation 1. So what is the thing which I am going to do right now? So I got x is 9 minus 3y by 2, which is my third equation which I have got from equation 1. So I will substitute this value of x in equation 2. So what I am going to write? I am going to write putting 3 in 2. Putting 3 in 2. So what do I get? I get, this is my second equation was 3x plus 4y equals to 5. This was my second equation. So what is my value of x? My value of x is 9 minus 3y by 2. 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 4y equals to 5. So now I am going to solve this equation simultaneously. So this has become a linear equation. Yes or no? It's a linear equation because I have only one value here which is y. The entire expression will be solved in terms of y. So 3 9s are 27 minus 3 3s are 9y by 2 plus 4y equals to 5. I'm going to take the LCM. 2 और 1 का LCM is 2. 27 minus 9y. 1 2 में 2 बार जाता है तो 2 4 जा 8y equals to 5. That comes to 27. Minus 9y plus 8y will be what? Minus y. Take the sign of the bigger and then subtract. By 2 is equal to 5. On solving I get 27 minus y is equal to 2 5s are 10. So if I take that y that side to make it positive, 27 minus 10. 27 minus 10 comes to 70. So the value of y is 70. After getting the value of y equal to 17, I had taken two equations, yes or no? My first equation was 2x plus 3y equal to 9. This was my first equation which I took earlier. And my second equation was 3x plus 4y equal to 5. So now I know the value of y as 17. So I can place this value of y either in equation 1 or in equation 2. It depends upon you. So you can choose any one. Suppose if I choose equation 1, so you will write putting y is equals to 17. We get, what do we get? We get 2x plus 3 into 17 equal to 9. 2x plus 51 is equal to 9. Because 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. 2x is what? 9 minus 51. So 2x will come to minus 42. So x will come to minus 42 by 2. That will work out to minus 21. So what are the two values which I got? X is minus 21 and y is 17. So this was the substitution method to solve any simultaneous equation. Now we are going to move on to elimination method. Now in this sum, the same sum I have taken, the same equation, but the method of solving is different. Now we are going to solve these two set of equation by elimination method. So what we are going to do in elimination method? In elimination method, we are going to take the LCM of either both the values of y or both the values of x. We have to make both the values equal. We will make either both the y equals or both the x equal. So if I try to make both the x equal, say, so 2 और 3 का LCM क्या होगा? The LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So what will I multiply to 2 to get 6? I have to multiply the first equation with 3, yes or no? To make it 6. Again, what I will multiply to 3 to make it 6? 2, yes or no? To make both the values equal. You can make y equal also. It depends upon you. To make y equal, take the LCM of 3 and 4. That will come to 12. So what we are going to multiply with 3? 4 become 12. And for 4 we are going to multiply 3. So we are doing with x. So 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y equal to 27. 6x plus 8y equal to 10. Now see, we have made both the x equal. Now both the x have the same sign. So we have to cancel that equal term. So I am going to subtract the equation. I am going to change the sign of all the terms. So plus 6x becomes minus, plus 8y becomes minus, plus 10 becomes minus. So plus 6x minus 6x cancels. 9 minus 8 is 1y. 1y is equal to 17. So I got the value of y as 17. Therefore y is equal to 17. Now the same way you got the value of y 17, you can put either in this equation or in this equation. So if I place the value of y in second equation, I'll get the value of x. So we'll write putting y equal to 17 in equation 2. This is my second equation. First equation, second equation. So 3x plus 4 into 17 is equal to 5. 3x plus, since for 28, 68 is equal to 5. 3x is equals to 5 minus 68. 3x is equals to minus 63. Therefore, x will come to minus 63 by 3. Therefore, x equal to minus 21. So, we solve the same sum but with a different method, which was elimination method. Now, we are going to work out the same sum with cross multiplication method. This method is very important for your ICSE examination. Now we are going to solve the same sum with cross multiplication method. This is a very easy method. Just concentrate, students. So first we are going to bring all the terms in one side. 2x plus 3y plus 9 comes here and becomes minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Second equation becomes 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we are going to compare the values. We are going to compare the value of x, compare the value of y, and compare the coefficients. Okay. So what we are going to get? This value stands for a1. This value stands for a1. This is the value of a2. This is the value of, this is a1, sorry. This is b1, this is c1. This is a2, this is b2, this is c2. So first write the values. So what is the value of a1? a1 means the value of with x, which is 2. What is a2? a2 is the second equation with x. The value is 3. Signs for both the values are positive. So I am not writing any sign. Again I am coming to b1 and b2. b1 means first equation y के साथ जो value है, which is plus 3. b2 means the second equation y, the value is plus 4. So you write plus or don't write, doesn't matter. But for minus you have to indicate c1 and c2. My c1 term is minus 9. My c2 term is minus 5. So first we are going to bring all the terms in one side. The first step. Second step, evaluate the values with respect to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. a1, b1, c1 indicates all the value of a, b and c from the first equation, and a2, b2, c2 indicates all the value from the second equation. Now we are going to keep one rule in mind. So what is that rule? The rule is B cap. Just keep this code in your mind. B cap. What is B cap? Let me write like this. B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, again B1, B2. This is the way of representing the equation for cross multiplication. So what are the values? The value for B1 is 3. The value for C1 is minus 9. The value for A1 is 2. Again the value for B1 is 3. The value for B2 is 4. The value for C2 is minus 5. The value for A2 is 3. The value for B2 is again 4. Draw these arrows. Down arrow, up arrow. Down arrow, up arrow. Down arrow, up arrow. So how we are going to solve this equation? For solving this equation, the final way is that first write x at the top. X at the top. Then down multiplication minus up multiplication. Down multiplication minus up multiplication. So 3 into minus 5 is how much? Minus 15, which is a down multiplication arrow. Yes or no? The arrow going towards down. With 3 and minus 5 is minus 15. Minus of the question, minus of the formula. Again 4 into minus 9 is minus 36 in the bracket. The formula is B1C2 minus B2C1. So B1C2 is minus 15 minus B2C1 is what? 4 into minus 9 minus 36. X done. Again write y at the top. Now for y, again C1A2 minus C2A1. So minus 9 into 3 will come to minus 27. Minus of the formula. Again minus 5 into 2, 10. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Sorry. Equal to, now write 1 at the top. 2 4s are 8. Minus of the question, 3 3s are 9. So we have basically framed the equation. Now we are just going to solve it. So how we are going to solve it? Now it is very simple to solve it. How? Just see. X by minus 15 plus 36 equal to y by minus 27 plus 10 equals to 1 by 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So this is the value for x, this is the value for y, and this is my constant term. So we are going to equalize this with this and this with this. How does it goes? X by minus 15 plus 36 equals to minus 1, and again this value with this. Y by minus 27 plus 10 equals to minus 1. x का वैल्यू एक बार कांस्टेंट के साथ इक्वल, फिर y का वैल्यू एक बार कांस्टेंट के साथ इक्वल. तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? आई एम गोइंग टू गेट x by 21 equal to minus 1, and here y by minus 17 equal to minus 1. So cross multiply, 21 into minus 1 becomes minus 21. The value of x and the value of y will be minus 17 into minus 1. Minus minus becomes plus 17. So this was the cross multiplication method. So we have learned all the three methods. So if you find this video beneficial, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.